Welcome to the October 29th daily overview, and we're looking at the DUG. I'm going to go ahead and give you just a sneak peek of the advanced members area. This is where we do the daily chart. So each one of these bars represents one full day of data. We ended up getting a sell signal here on the 29th. Our open price is 42.3. We got in a little bit lower than that, and we got all the way down to a low so far of 37.17. So we're in the money a lot right now, and we'll see how this plays out over the next few days, and that way, or weeks. Some of these trades last longer. We'll be able to see, you'll be able to see what the advanced members area see, because I literally lay out everything on the blog: the stops, the entries, the add-on trades, the targets, the night before the price action of the day. So the night here on the 28th, it's all laid out, calling this sell signal, and then we are currently in the sell signal, and I'm actually adding my 10% range target right now because we're already close to possibly cashing out. So even sometimes on these daily charts, we'll get out of the trade within just a few days, and sometimes a few weeks. So it just depends. So I wanted to show you that the DUG ETF tracks oil and gas, and now let's go ahead and look at the other trades that we're in. Here we're looking at the QQQQ, and we were long on the 28th. I'm not sure if you remember that. This is the 15-minute chart. So we ended up going long again here at excuse me, you can see, sorry about that, 11:30, and we went long again over here at 10:29, and then we got out here just 30 not that 45 minutes before the close, roughly 30 to 45 minutes. And just phenomenal move in the last 2 days. These last two positions really didn't make us a lot of money because of the amount of shares that were traded. But the first position, if you go back and look at the analysis on the 28th, did make us a lot of money. So we had over 3% profit in this total move here, and it was only in 2 days. So that was nice. We were still long the SPY, so let's go over and look at that. Okay, on the SPY, you may have remembered we were long before on this bar here. We had gotten stopped out from the day before, and then we had the long signal, and prices continued to move in our favor, and we added another long signal here in the 12:30 area. I won't give you the exact price. That's for the advanced members areas. Just so you know, these little dotted lines represent a new day. So each one of those is a new day break. And we're just holding our long positions here, and we still have the same risk and everything. Right now we have a total 3% risk in the market. We're in the money quite a bit, even though it's closed down here. Just so you know, the right side where it has the little red bar that I'm pointing at, that always represents the close. There's the close on that candle, the close on that candle. Excuse me, bar pattern. We don't use candlesticks, they're not necessary. We have our high, our low, our open, and our close, and we pay a lot of attention to the closes in this system, and it works great for the day trading and the long-term trading. So right here, even though we've closed out, we're a little bit down on this position here, but we're a lot up on this first position. So overall, we're in the money, and we're pretty close to one of our profit exit strategies, so we'll just have to see what happens here in the next few days. But we did make good money on the QQQ. We're in the money on the DUG, and I'm not even showing all the examples. When you use the 5-minute and the 15-minute chart across all the ETFs that I do trade, there was even more opportunities today. The volatility's been good. Trending markets are always good for the system. And we actually do fairly well during the flat markets, sideways markets too, so all the way around. That's it for today.